What's up guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can create a list on Trello. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because at 10k subscribers I'm going to break down all of my YouTube statistics and then I'm going to show you what my strategy is on how to make money online with YouTube. So let's jump in now. We're going to create a list in Trello. Right now, as you can see, I'm in my board. And if you don't know how to create a board, you should probably watch my video about this. That will be at the end of this video, where I perfectly explain how you can make a board. So right now, we're going to create a list. So we click on Add a List. I'm going to give the list a title, for example, Task 1, Add List. And that's basically it, guys. You can now create cards within this list. You can give this names. You can add them. And that's basically it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.